And today it is Olivia on Olivia's World. And this is my sissy. I love it. Sissy. Okay, sorry. She's younger than me.
Yeah, sure. I was born in July. She was February. But she was born premature.
So, loads of slime.
We made loads of slime. This is ingredients for slime. It's Carefree Curls and some paint.
Whoa!
4 in 1.
That's good.
Smells good.
Great.
And we made
it really
slime
helps with this one.
and the toothpaste slime.
Woohoo! That's the best-selling slime.
And this stupidity slime.
Yeah, because we made that. We left the cover off.
Silly us.
Yeah. Oh my God.
We're still making that.
So you got the ingredient. So what you want to do is put this in the ingredient that we just showed you.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I think it's not open. It's not open. So
It's coming
stop.
out the
Don't
bottom.
mix it. Don't mix
Okay.
it. And then I just mix it.
You're
so weird.
Look where it came out of, sis. Came out both ends of the cup. Look,
This.
I love it.
I'm really sorry. Right, so literally, just tipped over all of our slime, and I got slime all my bed. Oh my goodness!
We'll start the video in a minute.
Sorry. I'm really sorry. So, carry on. So I just want to get this softened free and something really bad. You guys can't see me. Man.
Now,
See me.
in the last video, you couldn't really see us because it fell down.
And my sister over here was watching TV with my mummy. Weren't you, sissy? Oh, sorry about that. Literally, she likes watching TV. I'm just making the slime.
Same.
True, weren't it?
Yes, true. Look at this slime.
Hey, stop that!
Shut up
and dance with me.
Make this one as my destiny.
Your ingredients should really get more thick. And that will go into your clear one.
Your clear. Crystal red.
Show them.
Crystal
No,
red.
literally
It's crystal red.
literally
It's the worst
yeah. So
stupidity slime ever.
how you make that is shampoo and salt, and then your ingredient is Carefree Curl Gel.
Yeah.
Non-greasy.
With paint and Carefree.
You don't have to add paint into it. It's optional. We
free.
just wanted to. So,
Can I
take that out? Because I'm mixing this. So put that wherever you want to put it. Put it in there.
Okay. I've got too many slimes.
So,
I'm a bit confused.
Literally, what you want to do? Ooh, that's a big job. You can't see where it is really when you put this.
So you gotta be careful when you mix.
I'm just making sure. It should be getting more glue pay. So, on to colorful clear.
Colourful clear.
You're just gonna
Crystal
mix
clear.
that.
Oh man.
And you don't want to do something like that.
Because it's just on the carpet.
Hello.
Excuse Excuse me. Let me just move this.
That's working.
4. My sister is just crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, that's crazy. Don't worry about that. That's normal.
That's normal.
Okay, that's normal as well.
That's normal as well.
All of it's normal.
All of it is normal.
Even copying.
Even
In a silly voice. I'll splat this in your face.
I'll splat this in your face.
Or I'll tip your slime in the bin.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.